You stop blowing bubbles. You stop it. You stop blowing bubbles. Who's blowing bubbles? Who's blowing bubbles? Yeah, that's how you blow bubbles. He did. Yeah, that's how you blow bubbles. He did. Wonder Woman. Every time the camera's on, you stop blowing bubbles. Maybe next time Dad wants you to stop blowing bubbles, he'll put the camera on you, my friend. Would that work? You get real boring when the camera's on, my friend.